Welcome back, everybody. Check it out, check it out. We out here in Pittsburgh, about to do some fishing. So check this out. This is what the day looks like right now. It's a little cloudy, a little foggy, but we got back out here, you guys. Check this out. This is Pittsburgh, California right here. This is what it looks like right here. This is the boat ramp right here. This is where we launch at, and also the bait shop's right next to us. It's convenient. So yeah, stick around, hang along. We're gonna do some sturgeon fishing here today. Check it out, check it out. This is what it looks like right here. Nice place. So we just launched. So come on, stick along for a ride. And let's go for a ride, you guys. Check this out. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, fellas, check it out. This is my setup right here, and this is what we got right there going on right there for bait. Look at that. Look at this beautiful shrimp right here. It's gonna catch me a sturgeon right now on the first cast. Watch. That's our setup. Metal wire, 60-pound rig, 6-ounce weight, actually 9-ounce weight. And this is what we're doing, y'all. Check it out, check it out. Hold on, let me put this on here. I want to just pinch them on the tail, slide them through, get the shape of the hook, like that. What you want to do is get you some string like this. Brand new string, look at this. Hold on. There we go. Some magic thread, tie it down like that. That. So what I'm doing is making sure the shrimp stays like in shape. See that right there? That's the setup. That's our shrimp setup. All right, let's put another one. Do two. That out. Just gotta get it on there. I'm gonna launch it now. On the boat. So yeah, you guys, this is the setup right here. I put two shrimps on there. Give it a little bit of action right there so it'll move a little bit. Give them a little bit of the shape of the hook. Just like that. And we're gonna launch it. Catch yourself some fish. Kind of low right here, but it's all right. We're gonna fish on the low water today for a little bit. Let's see what's out here. Look how he has it. Man, Pancho, you almost killed him with the eye. Look. You get him on the brain. Look at that. Look at that hook set. Hit him right on the head. Nice fish, man. That's the first fish for today. Good sign. About what, 10 minutes, 20 minutes? ¿Cuánto duramos a agarrar ese pescado?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Nice. Good job, buddy. First fish. He always catches the first fish. Look at that hook set though. No manches, güey. You know? Look at that hook set. Look where he got him from. Almost got the eye. Get a little. Get that. Vamos. Nice fish. Let me take him out. Check it out. First fish. This fella's got fish on. Check it out, check it out. See if we can catch him. First hookup. Yeah. Alright, stay tuned. See what happens. Check it out, fellas. We got hook on. Yeah. Don't want to lose attention. I set the drag. This is how we do it. Fish on. Yeah, what do you guys think about that? Hopefully this is my keeper right here. Take my time on it. Sí, güey. Se soltó, güey. Fuck, qué mal, tío. No, déjala. Whoa, fellas, we got one takedown, but I lost it, man. I don't know what happened. He just started pulling drag, and it just got away. It just came off. Maybe he hit the bottom, popped the weight right out. I don't know, man. That was a hell of a fish. Felt big. Yeah. Got two stripers. One nice takedown. So able to feel that fish. So I see how they fight, how a big fish fights, and I felt the fight. But that's it. Check this out. This is our lunch. It's time for us to take a bite. Check it out, check it out. That's how we stay healthy out here, you guys. Yeah. It's time for us to take a lunch break. We'll be back, y'all. Stay tuned. Ha ha ha. Want some? And chips. Not sponsored by Doritos, but love chips. All right, stay tuned. Now, boat's passing by. We're catching a fish. I don't know what it is, man. Every time a boat passes by, it scares the fish. And we get a bite. We got two stripers. We got one sturgeon takedown, but he got away. And now Paco Mares right there. Check him out, check him out. Oh, Pancho Loco. He changed his name. Pancho Loco, Pancho Loco. Dale, Pancho, Pancho. ¿Qué pasó, Net? Nah. No net for that. It's probably like a 15-inch striper. Maybe he's a keeper. Oh. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah, keeper.
Net? No net. Net. Check it out. Pretty little fish. Got a keeper striper. And this is how we do it. Hello? Really? Catfish out here? Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Está bueno, eh?
Eso lo voy a dar para el caldo, güey.
Bring it. Ah, look at that. Fish on. Catfish. We got catfish. We thought it was a sturgeon. It's a catfish. Check it out. Keep on fishing. Good job, Pancho.
Beso.
Beso, beso.
Beso. Ah, no.
Dale tu beso, es tuyo.
No, güey.
You're gonna give him a kiss for good luck. All right, stay tuned. Let's see what else we catch. This young fella's got fish on. Sturgeon. No. Wait. Get out. Mira, ve. A verlo. Woohoo! Fish on. Check this out, fellas. Yeah. He's breathing, he's good. Check it out, he's about to go. It's like a 25. Chiquito, baby. Yeah. No. Mira. Shit, striper. Check that out, third fish for today. Striper. No keepers. Check out their fish. Should be a good day, yo. Third fish and it's a striper. We got catfish and striper. Look at that barbless hook. ¿Cómo ves, vale? Como 16? 17? It's not a keeper though.
No. 15 and a half.
15 and a half. Check out that barbless hook. Watch this. Catch you next time. He's gone. Yeah. Keep on fishing. Right, stay tuned. Let's see what else we catch, y'all. All right. Set up. Look at that. Does it look natural? Yeah, it looks good. I almost took a bite out of that. Check it out. Pancho on the fish. Is that a keeper fish? Hey, wait, it's fighting. Good. Is it a keeper, Pancho? Check it out. Catfish. Striper. Check it out. What do you got? Oh, don't get the bucket. Se enredó el balde, güey. La soga. Keeper? Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
¿Te veo?
Keeper, güey, ¿no?
Sí, se va a ir, güey.
Keeper, güey. Ay, papantla de Celaya. Déjate lo pongo al hilo. Almost 21. 20 and a half, güey.
20 and a half. Oh, this is how we do it, y'all. Check it out. Fish on. A ver, Pancho. Look at Pancho's fish. Check him out, Pancho Loco.
¿Verdad?
Ah, órale, muérdele. You're gonna take a bite. That's a chunky one, ya. Está gordito.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Felicidades, güey. Congratulations.
No, nada de que catch you next time, güey.
No catch you next
Mío,
time. Woo, fish on. Keep on fishing. Yeah, let's see what else we catch, y'all. But if you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Give it a like. Click on the subscribing bell. That way we never miss another video again. That's how we do it. Oh, spawning. Ay, wait. Didn't. We had a good day today. We're having a good day. We got a bunch of fish. We got a keeper striper. And surprisingly, we got a catfish out here, you guys. What do you guys think about that? I was able to hook on a sturgeon today and landed him so I could see him. Small guy, but hey, it's all right. But hooked on an oversized one. Was stuck for a minute. And all of a sudden, it just took off on me and just started going. Started going really fast. Couldn't do nothing about it. I felt like the hook came off his lip, like it just ripped off, man. I had the brake on all the way on the rod. I had my drag set pretty tight, so I felt like it snapped out. It was an oversized fish. It felt pretty big. When I hooked on it, it got stuck. Basically, it just felt like a rock to me. And all of a sudden, it just started going really slow, really slow, really slow, and it just went really fast. Boom! And it just took off. But yep, stay tuned. We're still out here. We've got about an hour and 30 minutes left. Let's see what we can do, y'all. Yeah, this is what it looks like out here. Good day today, y'all. We got a keeper striper, a catfish, and we're gonna hook on a sturgeon and see him, bring him on board. Yep, stay tuned. Let's see what else we can catch. You know the spot, you know the spot, you know where we at. Yeah, that's how we do it, y'all. But like I said, if you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give it a like, click on the subscribing bell. Miss another video again. Yeah, we're down to our last bait. Check it out. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right. Man, I thought I had a sturgeon. It's a fish. Check this out. Check it out. ¿Cómo es ahí? No los da. We did good today. We got 4 fish. We got 1 takedown. It was a big oversized fish. I saw him jump. So I finally got the chance to feel the sturgeon. So that was good, you guys. I got hooked up, so that was really good. I got the feeling of it. So working my way up there so I can land myself a nice keeper sturgeon. We got about 4 stripers, not keepers. We out here, y'all. I'm out here with Pancho Loco. Look, check him out. He's right here. We got almost a keeper today, but we didn't catch a keeper, y'all. We out here, you know, giving it a try, trying our luck. See how we do out here. Yeah, but it's pretty nice day. It didn't even get windy or nothing. It was really nice. But yeah, we use ghost shrimp and chubbies to fish out here, and I'll show you that setup. So yeah, stay tuned, stick around. Let's see what else we can do at the next adventure, y'all. So yeah, that's how we do it, y'all. I'm Rich Rod. We're gonna keep on fishing. All right. But if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Give it a like. Click on the subscribing bell. That way you never miss another video again. All right, stay tuned for the next adventure, y'all. We'll keep on fishing. Catch you next time.